They're asking us to sketch a line, and they're giving us a couple points, right? So I'm going to do my best on the tablet. So first they give us a y-intercept of -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's -4. So it goes through the y-axis there. And then an x-intercept of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the line, 2 points determines a line, so we can draw the line right there, right? And now it says find the equation of the line, right? So the equation of the line is y equals mx plus b, and b is the y-intercept. We already know the y-intercept, right? They told us b equals -4, so it goes through. But we need the slope. So what we can do is we can draw our slope triangle, and I'm going to draw my triangle right here, right? Here's 1. So I went from that point up, I went up 4, and then I went over this way 3, right? So the slope equals the rise over the run. So the slope equals, I went rise up 4, and the run over 3. So the slope is 4/3. So now I know the slope and I know the y-intercept, so I could write y equals mx plus b, and the equation of the line would now be m is the slope, 4/3, and b is the y-intercept, which is -4. So the equation of the line is y equals 4/3 x minus 4.